When emergencies strike, access to fast and structured credit can prevent financial collapse. United credit is best handled during emergencies when it is treated as a short-term stability tool rather than free money. The priority is speed with control. Apply only for an amount that directly covers the emergency cost in dollars, whether medical bills, urgent repairs, or temporary income gaps. Borrowing beyond the exact need increases long-term pressure and weakens recovery. Approval funds should be isolated immediately. Deposit the loan into a separate account or track it mentally as emergency-only money. This prevents silent spending leaks that turn urgent credit into lifestyle debt. Payments for the emergency should be executed quickly, closing the crisis window as soon as possible. The shorter the exposure, the lower the total interest paid in dollars. Repayment planning begins the same day the funds arrive. Lock a fixed monthly repayment that fits your lowest guaranteed income, not optimistic projections. United credit works best when repayments are automated, removing emotion and delay from the process. Missed payments damage credit standing and increase total cost, which defeats the purpose of emergency credit. Avoid stacking United credit with other loans during the same crisis. Multiple obligations dilute repayment focus and increase default risk. One clean credit line is easier to manage, easier to close, and easier to recover from financially. Once stability returns, accelerate repayment aggressively. Any extra dollars should reduce principal immediately rather than waiting for the scheduled end date. Early repayment lowers interest exposure and restores borrowing power faster. Emergency credit should end when the emergency ends. Close the loop deliberately. Track the final payment, confirm account clearance, and mentally mark the event as resolved. Used with discipline, United credit becomes a financial shock absorber instead of a long-term burden. Used carelessly, it turns short crises into extended debt cycles.